Mako. Just got done rebuilding it. Got into a little accident last time out, so the motor mount busted off and then crumpled up the nose a little bit, but that's all right. But yeah, this is probably one of the most fun airplanes I have. It's really cool, so check it out. All right, I'm gonna launch it off this snowbank. There it is. She's flying again. Need reverse on this thing. Good amount of vertical. Some fun stuff to do with it. Just a killer little plane. Well, don't go into the trees. Easy to land. Just a gentle airframe. Look at that. You can do high alpha crap. Right in front of us. Even hold the knife edge. All right, we're gonna launch it off this thing one more time. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's awesome. So Mako rebuilt and it works. Yep, pretty awesome plane. I love it. Highly recommend the kit. 65 bucks. Throw some cheap blue servos in. It doesn't take much motor to run. Just an awesome plane, and I just threw some stickers on it. All right, one more jump. that one got almost stuck. Hopefully it didn't wreck the floats. Oh, that was premium. There it is. All right, enjoy the video.